So let's see together how to give something in French. So technically we're talking about this here is, here are in English. So we'll see it's not that difficult in French. And the first example, here is your coat. Voici votre manteau. So you can see the structure here. Voici will be like here is votre manteau. So it's funny because in this sentence, I mean, we don't have any verb, if you look at that. Voici votre manteau. Voici votre manteau. Here is your coffee. Same thing here, look. Voici votre café. So it's really simple. Voici, and then after that you put the thing with the possessive obviously, votre. Voici votre café. So I've been putting always the polite form for the vous. I'm not using the ton. I mean, it would be possible, but I just wanted to play with the vous form to make it more correct, a bit more polite. Here is your umbrella. Voici votre parapluie. Sorry. Voilà votre parapluie. I was not reactive enough. So it's just to introduce the fact that we've got two options. The first one is voici, and I wanted to stick to this one. And the second one is voilà. It's also possible. So here is your umbrella. Voilà votre parapluie. And then another one to use voilà. Here are your shoes. Voilà vos chaussures. Voilà vos chaussures. Voilà vos chaussures. So it could be discussed for a long time, the difference between voici and voilà. People will argue. My tip for you, you don't really need to care that much. I mean, voilà, voici, in most of the cases, especially in these examples, they just mean the same thing. But the good thing that you need to remember is that these structures are extremely simple to make. You don't need to play with verbs. You don't need to put verbs. You just have voici, voilà, and then the thing. Merci beaucoup.